Here is an updated method on how to easily post grid photos on Instagram. First, make sure you're logged into the Instagram account you'd like to post to. After that, open the Play Store or App Store and search for Grid Maker. You'll find several results, but select the one named Grid Maker and install it. Once it's installed, go ahead and open it. On its homepage, select Grid Maker. You can either skip or watch the tutorial, then choose an image from your media library that you like to post as a grid. Next, select the 3:4 upload ratio. After that, choose the number of grid layouts you'd like, depending on your image size. For this tutorial, I'll be selecting 3x3. After that, you tap the check mark in the top right corner, and your image will be split according to the grid layout you selected. Now from here, you're going to post each image in the order it's numbered. So start by selecting the first image, then choose Instagram, and select Feed. Once the image loads, before proceeding, here is an important step. Select Ratio at the bottom right, and change it from Square to Portrait, then tap Finished. If you skip this step, you'll end up with an altered image in your grid. After that, you tap Next, add a caption if you'd like, and then share the post. Once it's uploaded, you go back to Grid Maker and select the second image. Repeat the same process you used for the first image. Now continue doing this for all the grid images until you've uploaded the last one. Once you're done, you'll have a beautiful arranged grid on your profile.